I think AI is probably the single biggest item in the near term that's likely to affect humanity. Elon Musk. The 10 inventions of the future. What's coming next? Inventions have always been the driving force behind human progress. As we move into the 21st century, we expect to see even more groundbreaking innovations that will transform our lives. In this article, we'll look at some of the most exciting inventions of the future, including emerging technologies and groundbreaking research that will change how we live, work, and interact with each other. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning have significantly impacted various fields, from healthcare to finance. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we approach problems and make decisions, and as they continue to evolve, they will become increasingly sophisticated and powerful. It can be a good opportunity for people who use AI as a personal assistant. Some of the most exciting developments in AI and machine learning include using deep learning algorithms to analyze complex datasets and identify patterns humans cannot detect. This technology has already been used to improve medical diagnoses, optimize supply chains, and predict consumer behavior, among other things. In the future, we expect to see AI and machine learning used to solve even more complex problems and create new opportunities for innovation. 2. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are already being used in various industries, from gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare. These technologies can transform how we experience the world, allowing us to immerse ourselves in virtual environments and interact with digital content in new and exciting ways. In the future, we can expect to see even more advanced AR and VR technologies that will blur the line between the physical and digital worlds. For example, we might see AR technologies that allow us to overlay digital information on top of the natural world, making it easier to navigate our surroundings or access information. We also see VR technologies that allow us to experience full-body haptic feedback, making virtual environments feel even more immersive and lifelike. 3. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a rapidly evolving field that promises to revolutionize information processing. Unlike classical computers, which use binary digits, bits, to represent information, quantum computers use quantum bits, qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This allows quantum computers to process data in ways that classical computers cannot, making them much more powerful and efficient. In the future, we expect to see quantum computing used in various applications, from drug discovery and financial modeling to cryptography and logistics optimization. As technology continues to evolve, we may even see quantum computers used to simulate complex physical systems, such as the behavior of atoms and molecules. 4. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology involves manipulating materials on a tiny scale, typically at the level of atoms and molecules. This technology has already been used to create new materials with unique properties, such as self-cleaning surfaces and ultra-lightweight materials. It has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. We can expect to see even more advanced nanotechnology applications, such as nanorobots that can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells or nanomaterials that can generate electricity from sunlight. These technologies could significantly affect medicine, energy, and environmental science. An alternative to the problem that advanced nanomaterials developed by humans again become toxic to the environment and humans is needed. 5. 3D printing. 3D printing has already significantly impacted multiple industries, such as manufacturing and aerospace. This technology can potentially revolutionize how we create and consume goods. Due to the 3D printer, many production processes are not required, and small volume production of various products is possible in a shorter time. We expect to see even more advanced 3D printing technologies enabling us to print intricate structures and materials with unparalleled precision and speed. As the technology becomes more accessible and cost-effective, it could facilitate new business models and efficiencies in supply chains. For example, 3D printing could be utilized to manufacture tailor-made medical implants or entire buildings. 6. Biotechnology. Biotechnology involves applying biological processes and organisms to develop new products and technologies. It can transform a wide range of industries, from agriculture to energy. This field has already yielded significant breakthroughs in healthcare, such as gene therapies and personalized medicine. In the future, we can expect to see even more advanced biotechnology applications, such as developing new biomaterials and biofuels and synthetic biology to create new organisms and biochemical pathways. These technologies could significantly affect sustainability, environmental protection, and human health. But once biotechnology is introduced into nature, there is a risk of changing the nature of nature itself, and the consequences of this are difficult to predict, so individuals and policymakers should always be careful in introducing it. 7. Robotics and automation. Robotics and automation have already transformed many industries, from manufacturing to logistics, and they will continue to play a significant role in the future. As technology becomes more advanced and affordable, we can expect to see even more sophisticated robots and automation systems capable of performing complex tasks with greater precision and efficiency. Some of the most exciting developments in robotics and automation include using autonomous vehicles and drones for transportation and logistics, and developing humanoid robots that can perform tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans. These technologies have significant implications for employment and labor markets as they become more common. Robots will take jobs from many factory workers, bringing wage cuts to businesses that use robots. 8. Energy storage and renewables. Energy storage and renewable energy are two areas that are poised for significant growth in the coming years. As concerns about climate change and energy security continue to rise, there is increasing demand for technologies that can store renewable energy and make it more widely available. We expect to see more advanced energy storage and renewable technologies, such as batteries and hydrogen fuel cells. Changes in the environmental energy system align with changes in the overall industrial strategy, so a gradual and simulated design is required. These technologies could have significant implications for the energy sector, as well as for transportation and other industries that rely on fossil fuels. 9. Space exploration and colonization. Space exploration and colonization are two areas that have captured the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. As technology evolves, we may see more ambitious projects to explore and colonize other planets and celestial bodies. We can expect to see even more advanced space exploration technologies, such as new propulsion systems and habitats supporting human life in space. These technologies could have significant implications for our understanding of the universe and our ability to explore it. But the space exploration industry requires too much capital. A deeper discussion is needed on whether it is such an essential issue that it replaces the welfare of people who cannot eat meals and the environmental problem covered with garbage and industrial pollution. 1. Brain-computer interfaces. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, involve using technology to connect the human brain to computers and other devices. This technology has already been used to help people with disabilities to communicate and control their environments. It can transform various industries, from gaming to healthcare. In the future, we can expect to see even more advanced BCIs that will allow for more natural and intuitive interactions between humans and machines. For example, BCIs enable us to control virtual environments with our thoughts or communicate directly with other people through brain signals. However, there are a lot of ethical controversies. As we move further into the 21st century, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. The future is full of exciting possibilities, and as these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking inventions that will transform our lives. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to nanotechnology and brain-computer interfaces, these innovations have the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems and create new opportunities for human progress. Thank you for watching.